Alright, YouTuber's gonna do something weird. This is garlic, minced garlic. My freezer's too cold, it's frozen. But when you got it overpacked, you tend to do that. That's a lot of garlic. Alright, I'm gonna take butter. Alright, and that's butter. And now, I'm going to take it and put it in the microwave for a minute. See, it's in the nucleator. Because we're going to make some tortellini. These are cheese tortellinis. These are cheese tortellinis. I thought I had different ones. Alright, these are mushroom tortellini. So, we're going to do one of each. I got water boiling. So, we're going to cook these. These take 6-7 minutes, something like that. Okay, somehow I forgot the lid for this, so I'm going to use that. Alright, we got the boil going. In they go. In they go. Cover them back up, let them get back into heat. What we're going to do is I'm going to use these hot dog buns before they go bad. I'm going to put them in a new wave and I'm going to make garlic bread. Okay, so time for the bread. Hopefully I got enough butter on there. Pour the butter on it. Okay. I'll do 4 minutes. Away it goes. I might not have had any in there, but I just poured the butter and garlic over the hot dog buns to make my garlic bread. Alright, we're getting close. Oh, and also, this is my thrift store find extension cord. Works great. And this is about to be done. Alright, so I'm turning it off. I'll get it out of there in a second. Alright. I'm just going to scoop them out. I brought some sauce, so I'll put my sauce on it. Yeah. Alright. So, I didn't use a lot of sauce because I didn't bring enough, but those are really good. They're from Aldi's. They say they're imported from Italy, but they taste pretty good. Perfect timing. What we're going to do now is I got cheese. I'll make a cheesy garlic hot dog buns toast. We'll start out with 3 minutes. Be honest with you now, I'm probably going to eat all these up and go back for more by the time that bread's done. Alright, we're almost there. Yee-hee! Like I told you, there's more. These are the kind of things I keep around just in case. Woohoo! Alright. Let's grab one of these hot suckers. Hot, hot. Too hot. Alright, as I already told you, these are actually pretty good. Imported from Italy at Aldi's. They're doable. And don't throw hot dog buns away when they get close. Make them into garlic bread. Good cheesy garlic bread. Real garlic, butter, and cheese. Okay, fly over. Nice. Let's taste it all. Alright, even a quick and easy meal can make you have a great and wonderful day. Alright, cooking again. It's another one of those thrift store knives. Again, I haven't sharpened this one, but I'm gonna. Doing a foil pack. This one's okay. Time. Okay. In time-lapse fun. Olive oil. Ms. Dash Southwest Chipotle. Garlic. Garlic powder. Put a little bit more olive oil. And now we'll fold it up. And now we have 1 pound. We have 1 pound of hamburger and a ½ pound of hot Italian sausage. That's my favorite way to do burgers, is to put some hot sausage in there. And with that, gotta have some sriracha. Okay. And I have some Grill Mates Steakhouse Onion Burger. Zip it up. And mix it together. Give it a pretty good mix. Give it a little bit more of the McCormick's. And another quick mix. Not too much, but good. Now we'll go fire up the grill. Thrift store spatula. Here we go. Burger. That's really good. Alright, isn't that a good looking burger? And potatoes. And the potatoes. Great, wonderful day. I'm telling you, it's really good. You can enjoy one of these quick and easy. Throw some hot sausage in there with it. If you throw just regular pork, that makes it like a Cuban hamburger. They're awesome. Alright, we'll put some sriracha on the potatoes. It helps everything, doesn't it? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Potatoes are great. Alright. Now have a great and wonderful day.